In solving simultaneous equation, we have 5x minus 4y is equal to 6 and 3 raised to power 3 bracket y minus s is equal to 1 divided by 27. So in solving this, you firstly simplify the second. Let's represent this by equation 1. Let's represent the second equations, but before we represent it, you try to simplify by applying the indices terms to this. So we have 3 raised to power 3 onto y minus x is equal to 1 over 27 can also give us 3 raised to power 3. That is just, so 27 is 3 times 3 times 3. So now, recall that this is if 1 over a raised to power a will give you a raised to power minus n. So for understanding this fact, let's apply to this. We have 3 raised to power 3 onto y minus x is equal to 3 raised to power minus 3. So now, but recall there is another laws of indices that explain this better, which we have a raised to power m is equal to a raised to power n. If the base are equal, it's telling us that the index also equal. So if the index is also equal to telling us that we have 3 onto y minus x is equal to minus 3. So now, for the further you have an equation like this, and you can see the same factors of 3 and 3. So what x to do is to reduce it by 3. So let's reduce by 3, divide all through by 3. So in dividing all through by 3, so we have 3 onto y minus x divided by 3 is equal to minus 3 divided by 3. So whereby this we cancel this we cancel this. So this equation will give us y minus x is equal to minus 1. So we can rewrite, because of equation 1, to have minus x plus y is equal to minus 1. We call this one equation 2. So let's combine the two equations together to have 5x minus 4y is equal to 6, equation 1, minus x plus 4y is equal to minus 1, equation 2. So what x to do is that you can use two methods to solve simultaneous equation. We have substitution method and we also have elimination method. But at this junction, it is preferable to use elimination method by trying to make any of these coefficients to be the same. So in doing this, we can multiply by 5, we can multiply by 4. But let's try to eliminate y by, say, multiply by 1, multiply by 4. So we have something like 5x minus 4y is equal to 6 when you multiply by 1. So let's multiply equation 2 by 4. We have minus 4x plus 4y is equal to minus 4. So now, it does not matter, maybe you subtract or you add. You have to firstly consider the inner, the equations. How does it look? So because you also have to consider the signs. The signs really matters. You're able to see that 5x minus 4y is equal to 6, minus 4x plus 4y is equal to minus 4. So you're able to see that there is a plus here. So if we add this together, it will turn to 0. So let me just clean it. It will turn to 0 back. So you are not touching it. So we have my plus 5x plus this, we have x. So by the time you add this together, we have 2, telling us that s is equal to 2. So if s is equal to 2, you can able to pick any of the equations to get the values of y. So let's pick equation 2 to get the value of y. We have minus x plus y is equal to minus 1. So therefore, in view of this, so we have a 2, we have minus 2 plus y is equal to minus 1. So let's try to make the y as a subject of the formula. We have minus 1. By the time you change this, we have a plus 2. So y is equal to 1. So if y, so it's telling us that y is equal to 1. Now let's try to cross-check our answer. Maybe we are right. Let's try to input the value of y and x, maybe to give us 1 over 27. In cross-checking, we have 3 onto. What is the value of y? 1. What is the value of x? We have minus 2. So let's try to see what it gives. It gives 3 onto minus 1, which is 3 onto minus 3, which is 1 over 3 raised to power 3, which will give us 1 over 3 raised to power 3 is 27. So telling us that our answer here is very, very correct. So now, in view of this, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to share this video in our Facebook page. Share this video, like us, and follow us. In our YouTube channel, the most important person that you believe it needs this, or what you are doing, if you believe is meaningful, help us to share. So thanks for watching this video.